Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Got a good, strong market, which we could easily identify. That was based upon witnessing the wedge breakout in the Dow. Also, the reversal in the Dow was identified by the two hammer signals that bounced off the 50-day moving average, gapped up above the T-line, and then the uptrend gapped through the wedge, continuing this uptrend, making the prospects the same as over here. The NASDAQ at the same time, when it came back up above the T-line, they gapped out into new territory, still implying this uptrend remains in progress as long as the NASDAQ continues to trade above the T-line. But we've had some very good, strong bullish moves, good bullish trades based upon 2+2 analysis. Our recommendation on EB today was if it opened positive and traded positive, you had a bullish flutter kicker signal, one of your strongest reversal signals, and a fry pan bottom breakout through the 50, implying there's going to be a lot more upside. You can use that same analysis on ADS, where the Doji closed right at the 50 after a fry pan bottom that held up at the T-line. If it opens positive, it's going to be forming a bullish Doji sandwich, and we know what the implications of a bullish Doji sandwich are. More upside, meaning this breakout through the 50 has occurred, a lot more upside. The advantage we have with candlestick analysis is knowing exactly what's going to happen based upon how things open and form a signal and a pattern breakout. This is using candlestick signals and gaps, which is one of your most powerful tools, knowing what the formation was as far as what created the signal. The gap told you there was a lot of force coming into that new price move. We've been making very good profits on CRNE. It gapped up here, it gapped up here, and now gapped up again based upon somebody's analysis that it was going to $24 to $30 a share. Nikola, best friend gap up. Notice your best friend gap up that started the uptrend. And now another gap up. Where's your first likely target? At least back up to the 50-day moving average. This is not rocket science. If we know that there was indecision and they gap it up, we know exactly what investor sentiment decision was. If there's indecision and they gap it up, stochastic's still coming up, it tells you there's probably a lot more force to the upside. These signals have been producing very good profits, which is an advantage of being able to identify which way the market is moving using candlestick analysis, and then taking advantage of the patterns or the signals that are producing the strongest trade setups. Our best friend gap up through the resistance on RCC has continued to where it was trading up here today. Whoops, there it is up there. So these type of price moves can be greatly enhanced and identified if we know what the overall market trend is, which in this case, it appears as if we have the potential of more upside and also the potential of a move like this over here. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.